That was so sick. It's so funny. Yo, I sprayed through the garage wall to get that triple headshot. That's a leftover. That is sick. That was the funniest thing I've ever done in my life. Oh my god. That is so funny. Why was I doing that? I might be the smartest person alive. Yeah, Jake, I was right here, Jake. The third guy was spraying right through the phone door here. Got a triple headshot. Oh my, I'm the greatest.